The Cuban hummingbird that pushed bird size to the limit. There is a point where the word bird starts to feel almost too large for what you were trying to picture. That limit is the bee hummingbird, a real species described as the smallest of all hummingbirds and the smallest bird species in general. This is not a chick, not a storybook miniature, and not a made-up creature. It is a living bird with a scientific name, Melissega heleni, and a natural home in the world. Normally, when we think of a bird, we picture something that lands on a branch and immediately reads as complete: beak, wings, body, movement. Hummingbirds already seem to shrink that idea close to the limit. They are the kind of birds people imagine when they think of something tiny, quick, and delicate. But the bee hummingbird goes even further. Among hummingbirds, it is at the smallest edge. Among birds as a whole, it is there too. The source also gives it other names, Zunzuncito and Trovador. They sound almost too full for an animal that represents the smallest end of an entire class of living things. And it is not described as a bird spread casually across the world. It is endemic to Cuba, which means Cuba is its natural place. To reach this record, nothing has to become huge, heavy, or forceful. The wonder is the opposite. The idea of a bird has to be reduced until it is, still unmistakably a bird. That is what makes the fact land. In Cuba, there is a hummingbird so small that it is not merely tiny among tiny birds, but described as the smallest bird species of all.